just one of those days. Woke up, feeling a little older. Not mentally, just my body's hurting. Woke up, it's hard to get out of bed. Neck hurts, back hurts. It's hard to get motivated. See what we can do today. Got 10 seconds. There you go, there you go. I made every excuse not to train today. Every excuse. I woke up this morning, I found every excuse not to train. Didn't plan on training, got here, realized I had to fucking kick that shit out the fucking curb. Only time we say we want to train is when we're feeling good and feel like training. Go and get your ass whooped on the days you don't feel like training, and it's still a victory. Because at least you didn't fucking give in to the bullshit that says, oh, I don't want to be here today. I could have easily, my back's hurting, my neck's hurting. Well, I'm not training today. Vic would have called me out on it, don't be a bitch. A couple of you guys would have been like, oh, what's going on? But the real answer is I fucking can make the excuse or I can make the decision. Work around it. A couple moments where I woke up. A couple moments today where I wasn't. But those moments that I woke up were on the days that I didn't want to be here. Those are the fucking days that we grow from. Push through the bullshit. Who gave up some bullshit because they got tired? Look at that. How about this? Let's flip the script. How many of us capitalized on some bullshit because they got tired? See how that works? We're able to see it and we're also able to acknowledge it because that shit happens. We talk about this all the time, that your truth comes out when you're tired. And it's who capitalizes first. That's it. Either you recover or they capitalize on that hole. Or vice versa. That's how it works. Nothing ever in this fight game is going to be comfortable. So we have to be ready to do things when we're uncomfortable. I know there was a time right there I was like, I'm going to fight. No, I gave up the pin. And then immediately, I'm sure this went with all of you. As soon as you gave it up, your mind goes, why did I do that? Because now you have to deal with that internally. You're like, I gave that to them. They didn't earn it, I gave it. That happens in a fight too. Oh my God, I shouldn't have done that. Why did I do that? Well, because you did. Get up, go again. Okay. Bag is big. Let's break it out of here. All right, guys. Champions on 3. 1, 2, 3. Champions. Center again. Pass. Heavy hits. Oh. A little. Oh shit. Yeah, but it's okay. It's a scratch. I did. A little. What's up, man? Just scratch. Okay. Looks like a scratch. Yeah. Everybody's looking good. Had a little cut with Weber, but luckily it's not a deep cut. He leaves on Sunday for his fight, so he leaves in a couple days, and just a scratch, thank God. So we're gonna end his training for today, so we can really just focus on getting that thing recovered and continue getting his weight down. Can't wait for him to fight next week.
I feel great. I feel awesome today, you know. I feel ready for this fight. I had a beautiful camp. I have a strong camp. It was my best camp ever. Chad helped me a lot. Chinzo, Sensei Bruno, Victor, everybody here at this SMMA. I feel really happy and, how can I say, I'm the lucky guy to be in this place, you know. So I want to tell the name of everybody, but probably I'm gonna forget someone. So everyone, this is a brotherhood here.
Today is the day. I am really, really regretting this decision with all of my entire heart. I wish I wouldn't have done this. I'm gonna do 39 minutes straight with different bodies. First half will be gi, second half will be no gi. I just hope I survive it. If I don't make it out of this, just make sure that Bruno and the guys training today don't get any of my shit.
3, 2, 1, he hung in there. You know, I was maybe I got like 5 minutes of actual rolling because we were switching, but I was actually getting a little bit tired myself, and like I knew he was gonna be able to push the pace, but I was still surprised. It was inspiring to see, man, and I think I'd like to do something like that myself someday, just to push myself, you know. So it was awesome.
We were just reciprocating what he gives us too, of just not backing down and just keep going. But he did really good. Might be the stupidest idea he's done, but it was fun though.
I did really good. Lasted a lot longer than I expected him to before he started pacing. Man, for a 39-year-old, holy balls. That guy is in phenomenal shape, and he still got it.
Chad did really good, you know. He implemented the mindset of being a champion and pushing through the hard circumstances, you know. He really pushed himself, you know. Even though he threw up like 3 times, he kept going and going, you know. And, you know, this is why he's the leader of MMA, because he not only preaches this stuff, but he lives it. So he did very good.
I'm proud of him actually. Like I'm proud. Like he didn't need to do that. He chose to do that. He put this goal in his mind, and we came after him. He asked for it, we did. You know, like. But I'm proud of him for sure.
You know, today I'm 39 years old, and I didn't train for this thing the way I wanted to, but at the end of the day, I still had to do it. I could have made every excuse why, you know, I could have just done practice and I could have trained, but instead I set this goal, and regardless if I was ready for it, I had to do it. I couldn't go the other direction just because I felt I wasn't ready. I still finished it. It wasn't the way that I wanted to, but let's be honest. Whoa. Let's be honest, 39 minutes, you're never gonna be just ready for that, no matter how much you train, especially fresh guys coming in hungry to come after you. So, 39 years young.